What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. It has been 1 week, 6 days since I started the Dermalogica acne clearing kit, and today I'm here to give you my review, show you my results, and give you my final thoughts about everything. So out of all the ingredients, you got 5 different things. You got a foaming wash, you got a toner, you got a matte moisturizer, you got an overnight treatment, and you also got a pore control scrub. I'm not gonna lie, the pore control scrub, I didn't really use that much. With my Soniclear brush, I get a lot into my nose, so the blackhead thing kind of wasn't an issue for me. This took care of it in itself, but if you're somebody who has really deep blackheads, this may be a good product for you. I did use it once. I couldn't tell a major difference. I didn't give it the effort to show a major difference. If you're somebody who has blackheads in other areas, such as your T-zone or on your cheek area, this may be a good product for you. My blackhead area is my nose, and like I said, my Soniclear really gets in there and takes care of everything for me. Let's address something really quick. This right here gave myself frostbite. I'm not gonna go into details. All I can tell you is whenever they tell you 20 minutes on and 1 hour off, listen. So it's a pretty big gash wound. My surgeon says it's the second worst frost burn he's ever seen. Fun. So it's been an interesting ride, but other than that, I have full spectrum to show you the rest of my chest area, my shoulder area, my neck area, and my face in order for you to kind of get a close-up and see how these products have worked. Another product that you got that was not part of like the everyday system was the overnight treatment. I did use this about 3 times. So with this, I can't say if it did or didn't do a difference. I feel like it did help. Let me just go ahead and state, overall, I feel like this kit did tremendous amounts of work for me. Whenever I did my first video, you guys could see just bump after bump after bump after bump on the sides of my cheeks, red all down my neck and all over my chest. I didn't get to show my back or my shoulders, but they were the exact same way. So coming in today, you can kind of see my chest area has cleared up so much. My neck area is pretty much all the way clear. Let me move my hair out of the way. Neck area is pretty much clear. Shoulder area is pretty much clear. I would say about 90% compared to what it was. And then a close-up of my face. Like I said, I had like all of these bumps down here, and now they're just all completely gone. I still have the occasional 1 or 2 there on my forehead. It is an oily zone for me. Other than that, I've noticed a huge difference in my face. I'm talking about close to 95% cleared up in a matter of 6 days. I did even skip a day, so we're talking about 5 days. Now I skipped a day in kind of like the middle of those days. It was just a really busy time, especially dealing with this over here. So in a matter of 5 days, I saw a huge difference with the system. So I would say this is about a 2-week system because I have about half of all the products left. The only thing that I feel like I'm running kind of low on is the matte moisturizer, but that's because I used it in so many areas. It wasn't just meant for my face. I used it on my neck, I used it on my chest, I used it on my shoulders, I used it on my back shoulder area. So I used this guy everywhere, but I still have some left after 5 days of use. The overnight treatment, like I said, I didn't use it every single day, didn't notice a huge difference, so there's still a ton of that left, and the pore scrub is pretty much full because I only used it like once. My final thoughts on it are, grab this kit if you've got acne. This stuff is amazing. Dermalogica is a great brand already. I feel like Dermalogica put a lot of thought into each of these products and putting this all in one kit. The foaming wash, which is this guy, your toner, all over toner, which is this, and the matte moisturizer are your key things to get. The extra things that I don't feel like you really need to pick up are the pore control scrub, unless you have major big pore blackheads in areas other than your nose. If you've got one of those Soniclear brushes, Clarisonic brushes, whatever your go-to little electric brushes, that stuff can really get in there. So I don't feel like this is a must. And same with your overnight treatment, because you already put this on, and if you're cleaning your face twice a day, you already have a moisturizer that you're putting on before bed. Just my opinion, just my thoughts. So to save you a little money, these are definitely key. Your step 1, 2, and 3. I do feel like it's important for me to go ahead and say, because I don't know when this video will surface amongst the masses. This is not a paid ad. I was not sent these products. I went out and bought them myself with my own money. Dermalogica does not sponsor me in any way. I just really like their brand, and I was going through a period of time where I was having a lot of acne issues and needed it to get taken care of, because holy cow, I never have felt so self-conscious in my life. So to find a product that I feel really worked for me, and I'm sharing that with you, I truly hope it works the same way for you as it did for me. I saw a 90 to 95% improvement in my skin. My skin is more radiant. My skin doesn't have any newer breakouts as far as being clustered everywhere. It feels smooth. It feels just hydrated. It just feels good. By the way, I have nothing on my face. The only thing that I have on are eyelash extensions, which dramatically need to be refilled. And this like O'Keff's lip repair, and like, that's it. That is absolutely it. Other than that, all I have is the matte moisturizer that's on my face after doing one last cleanse and starting this video. So there's nothing on my face other than these products. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get future reviews over things. The design of this channel is to find products that actually work. I am so over YouTubers promoting products, or whenever they get products sent to them, doing reviews on them that are complete BS and don't work. I've bought so many things over time that cost anywhere from $50 to $300, and the product is complete bogus, and I'm over it. So the design of my channel is to find products that work. If we can get them on the cheap, girl, we're gonna do it. But if not, and you really need a $600 syringe to fill your bags underneath your eyes, I'm gonna let you know. If I come across something that you can buy and it's gonna actually work for the problem it's designated to say that it fixes, then I'm gonna promote it. Other than that, this channel will be as true as it gets. So if you're about some truth, subscribe to my channel, look forward to new videos. If you guys have any ideas, if you guys have any wants, if you guys have any products you want me to try, within my budget that I can, I will totally go out, buy them, test them out, and we will do reviews over them to let you know if they're bogus or not. I will put the link to buy this mini kit down below, and I will also put a separate link to where you can buy the step 1, 2, and 3, the foaming wash, the all over toner, and then the matte moisturizer. And like I said, these are the 3 that I feel are key. So hope you liked it. It was a fun week besides this, and I can't wait to do more stuff for you guys. Take care. Mwah.